Katakolo is one of the most popular cruise ports in Greece to see Olympia, the birthplace of the Olympic Games. We're visiting the port of Katakolo and exploring on our own. We're taking a bus to Olympia. There's a small walkable town at the port where you can find shops and restaurants. We booked bus tickets in advance through Get Your Guide. I'll leave a link below. We met near a travel agency, and once we arrived in Olympia, we had 3 hours to explore on our own. Buy entry tickets when you get there to see the museums and the ancient Olympic grounds. At the Archaeological Museum, you can see ancient works of art, precious sculptures, and terracottas depicting the athletic events. If you're visiting in summer, bring water. It's extremely hot. The first Olympics dates back almost 2,800 years ago to 776 BC. There was just one competition, a foot race, and it lasted just one day. The ancient Olympic Games were a religious festival in honor of the Greek god Zeus, and it was an athletic event. Over the years, they added more competitions: long-distance running, boxing, chariot racing, and the pentathlon, which included long jump, discus, javelin, and wrestling. For most of its history, Olympic events were performed in the nude, beginning in 720 BC, when the winner of the race, Orsippus, lost his garment on purpose because running without it was easier. The winners didn't receive medals. They got wreaths made of olive tree branches to wear on their heads. The torch lighting ceremonies start here at the Temple of Hera every 2 years before the Olympic Games begin. You can explore the grounds and see Phidias's workshop. He was a Greek sculptor and painter in the 5th century. Phidias made the Athena in the Parthenon and the statue of Zeus at Olympia. His sculpture of Zeus is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The statue was lost and destroyed about 1,000 years later, but the details are known from ancient Greek writings and were seen in coins and art. It's pretty cool to see the actual field where those first Olympic events were held. The races were run back and forth, not around an oval track like they have now. The area to the side of the field was used by the judges. Of course, we had to run around on the field. Very cool to see where the Olympics began and a peaceful gathering of nations. We explored the town in Olympia. They have shops and restaurants. We stopped for pizza and beers. It was really good. Then we took our bus back to the cruise port. We had a great time in Olympia. Thanks for watching Taste for Travel. Please subscribe for travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!